NAV Business App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how much easier managing business credit has become in 2025. NAV Business App helps small business owners monitor credit, access loans, and find financing options, but is it worth using? The surprising truth is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by assuming business finance tools are complicated. NAV consolidates your business and personal credit reports in one app, making it easy to understand your credit profile at a glance. It also provides alerts and recommendations to improve your credit scores. Another advantage is financing access. You won't believe what happens next when you see how NAV connects businesses to lenders for loans, lines of credit, and credit cards tailored to their profile. The app also highlights eligibility based on your credit scores, reducing guesswork and wasted applications. Education is another strong point. NAV offers articles, calculators, and insights for business owners, helping you make informed financial decisions. Whether you're applying for a small loan or managing cash flow, these tools are practical and actionable. However, there are cons. Some features require a paid subscription, and free users get limited insights. Loan matching is not guaranteed, and approvals depend entirely on lenders' criteria. Also, the interface can be overwhelming for beginners, with multiple dashboards and metrics. In conclusion, the NAV Business App in 2025 is ideal for small business owners seeking a clear overview of their credit, financing options, and educational resources. While subscription costs and lender approval limitations exist, the app's convenience and practical insights make it a valuable tool for managing and growing a business's financial health.